Good morning and welcome to Humboldt, Iowa, and thank you for watching the Idiot Car Guys. My name's Tom, and here today I'm here to present you our latest project, a 1988 Chevy Cavalier Z24 Convertible. Now, she's a little rough. Well, actually, let's be honest, she's very rough. But she's an original survivor. Only 67,000 miles on the odometer. Now, this is one of my favorite body styles of the Chevy Cavalier J body platform. That, believe it or not, this exact platform has been ran since the 70s. Now imagine that. Under all this sheet metal, the basis of this car came out in like 78, 77, somewhere around there. And ran all the way through the 90s until when it was replaced by the Chevy Cobalt. And as many of you know, I'm not a big Chevy fan. But I do like some Chevy cars, and this is one. It was designed to be an econo-box. You know, the solution to the gas crisis. And, well, it did that. But if you look on the interior from what it had, since I have the top down, by the way, the top is ruined. We will be replacing that in a later video. It's not all plasticky. You know, it's got some padding here. I mean, the center console here, a little crappy, but the seats are in actually decent shape. A little bit of love, it might come back. The carpet's going to need a lot of love. Everything on this car is going to need a lot of love. It's got a 2.8 liter V6, and it actually has a functioning, you know how all the races out there have the hood scoops that aren't functional? This one actually is. And let me show you. This thing does actually have a functional hood scoop. Pulls the fresh air in from right there and down into in there. Engine bay looks pretty clean for what it is. And a lot of the functions on this car still work. The hood is actually plastic. But I just like the looks, the styling, everything on this car is just classic. Now, as you can see, the paint is totally destroyed on this car. Everything is destroyed. Looks like they tried to sand down here. They were going to get ready to paint. I don't know what happened there. The top, I'll show you real quick on the top. It's bad. But the top still works.
Hey honey, we're going to the store. Want to drive?
You're letting me drive your Chevy Equinox?
Sure. Why wouldn't I?
Well, aren't you a little overprotective?
No.
Mom, you hired a pro wrestler to babysit me when I was little.
Ex-pro wrestler.
And you made me wear a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, and...
It's got an electronic dash. It's actually kind of hard to watch or see too when it's sunny. But the back window's gone. It's got rips and tears all over this thing. And it's no choice but to replace it. But tires are good shape. It's still got its undercladding, which is nice. And it's a little loud. I'll start it up so you can hear it. Sounds like it has an exhaust leak. Sounds like another video for us to do, fixing it. But this is our project. We'll take it for a quick ride here in a little bit and see how it works.